From the providers, that thing good. We're going to open up the package of the 10-piece tool organizer and show you how neatly it's packaged. As we open up the box to show you, we have an instruction guide on the side for you in plastic, each of the pieces. They are about 12 inches plus, and they get put together along the wall any way imaginable. Hang one in one room and another in another room. We have insulated hooks, hangers, and they go on by placing on top and snapping into place. And we'll show you how they look like hung up. Each piece has 8 anchors and screws. We have 2 double hooks, 3 single hooks, and 2 small poles. Carefully go over each piece, as one is more deeper and flatter than the other. You're going to place the one that's got the lip up and lock down on a board. Find a location, masonite to wood, and drill and secure it down. Placing on masonite, different angles, your option. With the deeper lip first on top, matched up side to side, down. Placing on the bracket is simply placing on top with the 2 notches facing the bottom. Place on, adjust to the level and space required, press in and lock in. With the 3 small ones, the medium size, snap on. If needed to remove, simply lift up, slide, lock in. So you got a broom to hang, pick a spot and hang up. A cleaning shovel on the small one. And placing a squeegee in front. They are able to hang a number of items. With the single pole and the holes, depending on the product, with the holes, you're able to slide on for hanging or lay across on top. For example, a nice large handle resting on or swapping around, placing on. There are different ways to hang your product. You have a lower hook that will fit certain things, or a high hook, fit like so. The shallow back fits squeegees and many other products. If you need to remove, simply grab to remove and place anywhere imaginable. This is your garage, tool, shed, indoor and outdoor organizer for wall hangings, basements, sheds, and more. I hope you enjoy your garage organizer. These things can be placed anywhere imaginable. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for, and thank you for viewing.